Naledi Apiwe and Peanuts doing a challenge together, and this is the collaboration we never saw coming. Like, and we never saw it coming, but we actually needed. Oh my gosh, there are two powerhouses, and her visiting the progressive school college is the college that they're in right now, where there's so many talented children. Oh my god, this school brings out the best of the best. And him being a powerhouse, Peanuts, he actually transferred to this school only this year, and I feel like it's such a powerful thing. And Naledi being there, it means that she's going to be doing collaborations with the school and the talented kids from this school. I really cannot wait to see what they come up with. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. And she really danced so well. She has really improved, hey. But I feel like probably Peanuts probably like, trained her. But either way, guys, so with all of this, I feel like the way these kids are so talented from this school, I wonder how are they doing when it comes to academics, right? So far there hasn't been any parent or guardian that has complained against the school, that the school focuses more on entertainment than their education. But I feel like there is a balance, and I feel like it's a good thing that in schools we advocate for children playing sports, for children coming up with their talents and actually supporting them. I feel like it distracts them from bad things in life, that they're so occupied with doing what they love so much that they don't think about doing drugs or falling pregnant, even though I'm not saying it's going to like improve. But I remember back then at the early 2000s, late 2000s, when I was very young, very very young, agriculture was very like a thing. I remember there were state theaters, there were kids who would do dance moves. Like, you barely saw someone who was smoking. Like, if it was taboo to see a school child smoking back then, or like in a relationship, like there was shame back then, but schools, theaters, there were so many competitions that we even would ask our dad, like, can we please join them? And he said no. There were so many competitions. Everybody else wanted to play sports. If they were not playing sports, they wanted to do like drama, they wanted to be poets, they wanted to dance. And I feel like this school is such a good example of supporting children's talents, being able to balance their education and being able also to invest in their talents. Therefore, when they finish school, they don't start from zero. They actually are able to balance also their schoolwork and their talents, make money while they're at school, because they're so used to balancing entertainment in school. It will be much easier when they're at college, because some institutions doesn't require you to come every day. As long as you submit your assignments on time, as long as you come and write and you pass, whether you come or not, it's okay. So I think it's such a good thing that they're investing in this. And it's also good to see Naledi Apiwe collaborating with different people. She's a great example of public image, regardless of which industry you're in. She's in the music industry, and she also do a little bit of influencing, but she does also understand that there are people out there that are doing bigger things than you, or rather are more famous than you. And Naledi Apiwe's fans, I feel like most of the time are people in their early 20s. They're quite really young. Even though her music is good, everyone listens to it, but her personally, the people who are interested in her personally, I feel like it's the younger generation. So I feel like she did not make a mistake in coming to this school, right? That's just my opinion, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.